Okay, so I want to show you a few software that I use to create my video for YouTube. The first one is this free video joiner. Second one is this free video cutter. You can Google them and download the free version. The screen recorder that I downloaded is from reading this article at TechNet magazine. Here's the link. If you click on this and then you just go to I had it downloaded into the C, so here is the utility online March 09, and you click on 64-bit, and then you can either click on setup or the screen recorder. I just click on screen recorder, and it says I need the Windows Media Encoder 64. So I just downloaded that, and everything is good to record whatever is on the screen right now. So now I'm going to switch gear to show you how to use the video joiner. In any case, here is I have the screen recorder running right here. You can see it's recording. It's been recording 1 minute and 47 seconds. So free video joiner, if you click on this, it's going to come up, and here are all the output format. I typically use MP4 for cell phone, and you just click on the add button, and it's going to bring you to all the video you want to join together. So if I select the first two, I just do that. Left click and hold it, and then I can select the video I want, and then I just let go. And then like here, I hold the left button on my mouse, and I let go. Now I highlighted two, and I just do open, and you can see I have them all together, and then I can hit the join, and then it's going to run to join the videos. So I'm not going to join them, I'm just going to close it out. That was just to show you how I did it. The other one, free video cutter, I use a lot. It's very simple. Again, here I just use output format MP4, MPEG-4. All you have to do is you open video here, and then you choose one. You do open, and then it's going to create this. Once it's done, you can drag the start position, end position, and then just click on save video, and you give it a new name, and it will be saved. Again, here I'm not going to proceed to that. The next, there's a screen recorder. There's Windows Media Encoder 64. In order to get this, by the way, the operating system I have is Windows 7 64 bits. I typically record my video using my camcorder, or hat cam rather. It's a high definition. I set it to 720p instead of 1080p because 780p is less, take less storage. It's the 1080. They're both 1080p and 720p. They're both high definition. If you record under the 1080p, which sometimes I do, then I also downloaded this avidemux 2.6 64 bits. This is an open source software. It's very useful. You can cut the video. You can also shrink the 1080p video to a smaller size for easier download. here I created a project. This is open, so you open this project, which I created. I saved in desktop. I called it shrink video. Oops, I guess it's not there. In any case, so basically what your output, video output is, you're gonna have is, you're gonna choose is this MP4, XVID4. Okay, you configure this so that the group size is 200. Okay, instead of 1,000 or whatever, make it 200 or less. The filters, you're not gonna have any. The audio, you want to choose this one, AAC, FAAC. And the audio, you want to let's see, you want to configure on a filter. I guess, oh, the output format, you want to change it to MP4. Okay. Let's see. Still cannot configure. In any case, so then when you're done, you just open the video. Okay. And then once it's in here, then you can save it to a smaller file. These are the icons for cutting videos. You can also save the video without sound by going to here, audio, filters. See, here's 720p and so forth. This avidemux is very useful. Select track. You know, I don't have the video on me. I should open one. Let's open one. My video. Let's see if I have anything that I recorded. March 7th. No. It's 2/28. Yeah, this is the one. So, as you can see, if I right click, go to the properties, you can see this video was, let's see, it's frame height 1080p. You know, so this is a very big. The audio bit rate is 122. So this you want to reduce as well. Let me. So I want to open this file here, the video here. As you can see, this is a big video. So what I need to do is I need to change the video output to impact 4. The configure is 200 for the group. Filters. Here you can rotate your image by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees. You can also add border, logo, crop, and so forth. So if you want to rotate, just come here and click on the screen, add button, okay, and choose your angle to 90 degrees. Click OK, and see it's over here. And then you can preview. You can, start running it. But I'm not gonna rotate this by 90 degrees, so I'm just going to highlight that and X out of that. The audio output is, I choose this AC configure. The bit rate is 128. I shrink it to 56. Okay. So it's smaller file because audio file is pretty big. Like I said, output file is MP4, and then when you're done, you just go here. See audio, you can select track. right now it's selecting, track 1. If I unclick this, then it's not going to have any audio when I save it into the new video. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And when you're done, you just do file save, give it a new name. I'm just going to say test. Okay, it's going to save it into the 228.15 subfolder. And then it's running. You can see it's going to take a while when it's done. It's very easy. I'm just going to abort it. Okay, here we go. Kill out of this. The other thing is, if you go into the video, let's go to the video 228. Let's see if there is anything created. Oh yeah, the test was created. So as you can see, a lot of times you see, pictures of these videos, but this one it doesn't. The reason for that is because if you go to the details, you're going to see the test is a file, but after you created this test video from using the avidemux 2.6 64-bit software, this you need to manually change it to a MP4 file. Okay, and then you go back to here and then you say large icon. It becomes a playable media file. Okay, I didn't quite finish, that's why I'm getting the error message, but that's the typical file I use for my YouTube video. It's pretty good.